Alright, my name's Kanji Coder on 945. Source code is here. Let's fucking go. Okay, in database system, in the bomb area data section, we have this new object. Data bomb area Blastin Struct. Lax comma hack. We got the one-dimensional version of MSX MSY, the explosion shape, and the V16 for the bomb. They're all member variables, so they start with the M underscore. Down here in the bomb area function section within unit test main boom emit functions, all of these functions are now monkey wrench macros because we don't have enough information for the ring shape blast, laser blast, Jax blast, and box blast by just using MSX and MSY. We need more information, so we're going to use these functions, right? The fixes are these functions right here. Okay, then down here, we have a whole bunch. This is some other monkey wrench macro shit. It's a complete fucking disaster. Look at it, okay? Wrong function name, that's all you need to really fucking know, okay? Function bomb area, unit test main, emit from center a ring blast, right? We've refactored the signature to take a Blastin object. Here's the Blastin object rather than MSX MSY. Right here, we're going to make sure that if we are calling the ring blast, that the Blastin object has an explosion shape of ring, right? And we'll do the rest of the code in another video. If we're calling emit from center laser with the Blastin object, here's our input Blastin, we need to make sure the input Blastin is configured for a laser, and if it's not, we're going to throw a fucking error, right? And then down here, unit test main emit from center Jax Blastin. So the input Blastin goes in here, and then we want to make sure that it's actually configured for a Jax-shaped explosion because we're in the Jax Blastin, and if it's not, we're going to throw a fucking error, right? All right, here, emit from center box Blastin, okay? So here's our input Blastin. If the input Blastin is not configured for a box-shaped explosion, then we're going to throw a fucking error called fucking box because we're in the wrong fucking function because this is emit from center a box-shaped explosion, right? Down here in this function, bomb area unit test main boom spark, right? Our boom spark function that handles detonating spark pins. We're going to load the Blastin object right here. And then in our little switch statement, spark pins cover most. If we have a ring-shaped explosion, we're going to call the ring Blastin, right? We don't have laser spark pins, right? If we have a Jax spark pin, Jax Blastin. We got a box spark pin, box Blastin, right? We're out of fucking time.